Hello folks, welcome to MRReddy Automation. In this video, I am going to talk about Selenium wait commands. Before looking into wait commands, let us try to understand this diagram to get more context about wait. As you can see, we have application flow here. Scenario is we have to log into application and verify orders functionality. We have two parts, manual testing and automation testing. Try to understand manual tester behavior and automation testing tool behavior while testing this application. In order to test this functionality, first we have to open this application. Once application is opened, this login page will be loaded. Manual tester can provide login details and he clicks on login button. Once he clicks on login button, it will take some time to display this dashboard page where orders will be available. Okay. In manual testing, as a human, he has some sense so that he can wait until this dashboard page is displayed. Once it is displayed, he can verify orders by clicking on this orders link. But coming to the automation testing part, it is a tool, right? We have written some script to validate this functionality. It doesn't contain any sense like human. It has script for enter username and enter password and click on login button. After that, it has script to click on this orders link. Once we click on this login button, it will take some time. We need to wait. But tool doesn't wait. Here, issue is tool doesn't wait. It will immediately try to perform action on next statement. That is click on orders link. But this link won't be available. Still login process is going on. Then script will be failed. It will throw no such element exception. The reason is sync issue. What is the sync issue here? The time gap between tool execution speed and application response time. If application is responding to each statement quickly, then there is no issue. But for any step, it is taking some time, then it will be issue. In order to handle this type of issues, we have to use wait commands. By using wait commands, we can stop the tool execution till this process is completed. Okay. Once it is done, then tool will continue with this part. In real time, when this sync issue will be happen means while navigating from one page to another page and while handling alerts, pop-ups, okay, interacting with the frames and interacting with some tabbed windows, application is having lazy loading areas. What does it mean? So in some applications, data is available in the form of videos, images, and carousels. Data is available those forms, then it will take some time to load the data. So these areas is called as lazy loading areas. Carousel looks like this. If application contains this type of data, then it will take time for loading. Now let us take a look at wait commands. Wait commands are used to stop the test execution until specified amount of time. Wait commands are three types: Thread.Sleep, Implicit wait, and Explicit wait. Let us see one by one. First one is Thread.Sleep. Just remember it is provided by Java, but not Selenium. So every programming language has its own sleeping mechanism. For instance, in case of JavaScript, we can use set timeout. But in case of other language like Python, we can use time.sleep. Like that, Java is providing Thread.Sleep. Okay. How it works means we will have two cases. Okay, case 1 and case 2. If you see here, if element is available within the specified time, what will happen? Okay, and if element is not available within specified time, what will happen? If you take first case, if element is available within specified time, then it waits maximum time. For example, let me add Thread.Sleep here. Okay, 10 seconds. If element is this element, okay, we are waiting for this element. Text equal to Selenium. If element is available in 5 seconds, but still it will wait 10 seconds. Okay. But if element is not available within 10 seconds, then it throws exception. Okay. That is the meaning of these steps. Okay. We have bootstrap drop down here. If you click on this, it will take 5 seconds to display items. See here. After that, we can select Selenium, any item. Okay. But by default, Selenium doesn't contain any wait time. Default wait time is 0. Already I have created script for this. Let me show you how to create export. You can see here, tag name is button, class equal to bs drop button at the rate of, let me copy this one, at the rate of class equal to bs drop down. Okay, it's been identified. Next, we have to select this one. Let us inspect this as well. Okay, it is link right. We can provide text property. Text equal to Selenium. Yeah, it's identified. Clear? Okay, first let us try to execute without sleep and let us see what will happen. It's opened application and it's clicked on automation tools drop down. But it is trying to select Selenium, but somehow it's getting failed. Okay. See, still it is displaying. Let us see the output. See here, X path. It is unable to find the element with this X path. The reason is after click on this, it is taking 5 seconds to display this content. But Selenium won't wait till 5 seconds. It will try to select this one, but it is not available. So obviously it throws exception and script will be failed. Okay. Now let me uncomment this one. And I am re-executing once again. Yeah, this time it got selected. Okay. Again, it came back and clicked on this button. It is working fine now. It has two disadvantages. Okay. What are those? If element is available within time, it will wait maximum time. If the element is not available within specified time, then it will be thrown exception. For example, again here it is taking some time to load in web page. We have to use Thread.Sleep for this as well. So we have to declare multiple times whenever required. Now let us see about Selenium wait commands. First one is implicit wait, right? Okay, it is provided by Selenium and it is a global wait. Global wait means declare once and use for all the scripts. It is applicable for all elements. Okay, in our test, there will be number of elements, right? If any element is not available during execution time, then it will wait until specified amount of time. Okay. Here also we have two cases, right? Same. If element is available within that time, if element is not available within that time, what will happen? In first case, it doesn't wait maximum time. For example, we have specified implicit wait as 30 seconds, but element is available in 10 seconds, then it doesn't wait. It will execute the next statement. Okay. If element is not available within the specified time, then it throws exception like Thread.Sleep. So with the help of implicit wait, we can overcome the first limitation of Thread.Sleep. Let me add implicit wait in our script. Next, we have to add after driver initialization. It is Selenium command, right? We have to use driver instance. Driver dot manage dot timeouts implicitly wait. Okay. Then we have to specify duration. Seconds, right? For sake of your understanding, let me provide 60 seconds. It will find this element within 5 seconds. So it doesn't wait 60 seconds. I will show you. Okay, now let us try to execute. Yeah, so immediately it opened and clicked and again it came back to main page as well. You can see login clicked. It is the step for clicking login button. Okay, here what is happening? We added implicit wait here. So if any element, this element, this element, this element, it will wait 60 seconds. Okay. If element is available in 2 seconds or 3 seconds or 4 seconds, then it won't wait till 60 seconds. That is the advantage of implicit wait. So now let me give 2 seconds. But this time the script will be failed as per rule. Okay. Why? Because it will take 5 seconds, right? To display item. Yeah, you can see here it got failed. This is the functionality of implicit wait. Next one is explicit wait. It is also part of Selenium and it pauses the tool execution until specified object satisfy the specified expected condition. Okay, it is object level weight. The difference between implicit weight and explicit weight is it is applicable for all the elements in our test, but it is applicable for specific object only. The implicit weight is completely time based. Okay, it will weight based on time, but explicit weight is completely condition based on condition it will weight, and it is not applicable for all the objects. Let us look into implementation part. Let me comment this implicit weight, it's not required. To define explicit weight, Selenium is providing one class, that is WebDriver weight. WebDriver weight object equal to new WebDriver weight. Here we have to pass driver instance. Driver maximum time to wait. Condition should satisfy within this time, otherwise it will throw exception. It is condition based only, but it should satisfy condition within this time. Okay. Next, WebDriver wait until expected conditions. Dot. These are different conditions are there. We can use visibility. Okay, visibility of element located. So we are directing WebDriver wait until this object is visible. Okay. By dot x path. We have to wait for this element, right? We have to specify here. It is duration of seconds, sir. So this condition should satisfy within this time. Now it will return element. Okay, we can capture into variable. How can we capture? Its type is web element, right? Web element. Okay. So now in this variable element is available. So instead of writing this statement array, simply what we can do, web element dot click. Okay. So we are defining explicit wait for this specific object. This is link, right? Let us try to execute and see the results. Yeah, it is opened application. Clicked on drop down and selected element from list. Okay, it is working fine. We have implemented Thread.Sleep, implicit wait and explicit wait. Here question is, which can we choose in real time? Which Thread.Sleep is not a best practice to implement in script. But while developing script, you can use this one, because during development time, there is a possibility of getting more issues, right? So by adding Thread.Sleep, you can debug easily. Once script is working fine, you can remove Thread.Sleep and you can add either implicit wait or explicit wait as per your project or organization coding standards. If your team is having less experience, then you can go with implicit wait. Okay. If you are good with automation, then you can go with explicit wait. Finally, implementation of explicit wait is best practice. This is all about wait commands in Selenium. That's all for this video, guys. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.